Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create this text animation using the new feature in Canva called Create an Animation feature. First, open mobile video and create a blank canvas. After you've created your blank canvas, you can now go to text and place your text onto your canvas. We can now start typing our word, but we are going to type one letter at a time so that it's easier for us to animate them. I'm going to start with the letter L. And now we are going to duplicate this letter 4 times until we end up with the word life. Now we'll make another duplicate to create a title for our letter I. If you want to, you can also give your canvas a little bit of color. So I've decided to give it a gradient color. We'll start by animating our first letter, which is L. Go to animate in the search bar, and then for all these letters, we're going to use this new create animation tool. We can now start animating our letter. You can either move it upwards, downwards, or sideways. So for this one, we can move it sideways. After you've animated your letters, you can either choose if you want a smooth movement, a steady movement, or an original movement. And you can also increase or decrease the speed of your animation. Now on the second letter, we are only going to animate the title on top of the I. Follow the same procedure by going to create an animation. Make sure that you follow a straight motion path so that your animation can be smooth. Now we are going to animate our third letter. We are now at the end of our tutorial. Now we are going to animate our last text, which is E. Remember guys, follow a straight motion path. And if you want to add sound to your video, you can also do so. Now that we've come to the end of our tutorial, we can download our project or our tutorial as a GIF. And this is our final project. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Until we meet again in the next one, peace out.